Hey guys! Greetings to everyone on this video exam. If you are in search of an excellent approach to reduce weight, eliminate fat stores and increase your vitality, you are tuned into the right video today. I'm going to bring up the tea bird discussion now. Tea burn is an extremely interesting tea as you incorporate it into your regular tea. This supplement, effective in promoting weight loss, deserves your attention. Surely this is the right video to shed light on how to achieve your weight loss goals. I will do a full explanation of tea burn, thoroughly addressing the associated pros and cons. It is true that identifying downsides is unlikely, although there is a wealth of information to share about tea burn. I am confident that you want to know these details. I ask you to stay with me until the end of this presentation to cover all knowledge about tea burn. If you are interested in purchasing it, I will provide the link to the official website in the description below. There, you can make your purchase directly and securely. Therefore, the official website is at your disposal. If you've ever pondered the prospect of losing weight through drinking tea, some might argue that it's unattainable. However, this is exactly where tea burn comes into play. Therefore, tea burn represents a combination of several fresh herbs, thus allowing the weight loss process to begin. With the help of tea burn, you'll stimulate metabolic activity, resulting in a highly accelerated metabolism, which is crucial for sustaining weight loss progress. Once the consumption of tea burn begins, the organism will direct its efforts to eliminate the fat deposits, which will be efficiently dissolved. In addition, it is important to emphasize the benefits in terms of vitality and strengthening of the immune system that tea burn offers. In short, just add a tea burn sachet to your usual cup of tea. This practice will become an integral part of your morning routine, even before breakfast. This strategy will guarantee a significant energy boost to face the day, in addition to being a perfect morning tea. Tea burn's notable feature lies in its wealth of ingredients, all sourced from all-natural herbal sources. This rules out any concerns about side effects, as these herbs work beneficially in the body, fighting internal inflammation and providing a generous dose of antioxidants. This synergy of elements will not only contribute to the integral restoration of your internal system, but will also favor the detoxification process. Therefore, all these advantages converge on a single objective, achieving the desired weight loss. By adopting this practice, you will promote far-reaching improvements in your overall health, noticeably strengthen your immune system, and multiply your energy, all through the consumption of a modest serving of tea. The fat-burning property present in the tea is truly remarkable given that its origin is completely natural as mentioned earlier. In addition, its safety is unquestionable, being suitable for any individual. Of course, it's important to note that the minimum age to consume tea burn is 18, as is to be expected. Tea burn has been proven to deliver effective results, with many individuals already witnessing remarkable achievements. If you want to explore testimonials that attest to these results, you can find them on the official website, where various feedbacks from people are available for consultation. As you engage with this solution, you will experience a highly rewarding sense of well-being. In addition, tea burn offers a remarkable layer of protection, strengthening the immune system and warding off flu, colds, and the like. Should a refund be required, please be aware that a money-back guarantee is valid for 60 days. Just access the official website to make the request, and the support team will be ready to help, fully refunding the amount invested. It is important to point out that the official website is the only online source that offers a comprehensive refund, should it be necessary. So keep this in mind. While there is a wealth of fascinating information relating to tea burn, it is impractical to cover all the details at once. I recommend going to the official website to explore more information and purchase the product on your own. Do not hesitate to leave your questions or queries in the comments below. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all an excellent day. See you later.